Welcome everyone to What's in the Bag for the letter T and the sound T. Are you ready to get started? Here's our bag. I need to see your clapping hands. Can you help me sing our song? You ready? Here we go. What's in the bag? Let's find out and see. What's in the bag? Can you help me? Some things in here, all starting with the sound T. Oh, do you know what this is? It starts with T. It is your tongue. Can you hear the T sound at the start? Tongue. Fantastic. Are you ready to find out what else is in the bag? Me too. Toby, the toucan, might help us this time. Are you ready to help us, Toby? That would be amazing. Are you ready? Show me your clapping hands. Here we go. What's in the bag? Let's find out and see. What's in the bag? Can Toby help me? Let's see. Oh, it's so exciting. It's like a lucky dip, isn't it? Every time. Oh, yes. It's a toothbrush. You can have what's called a manual toothbrush, or you can have one that runs on a battery. Miss Jo has one that runs on a battery and it goes super fast when you're brushing your teeth. So we've got tongue and toothbrush. Can you hear the T sound at the start? Let's say those words again. Tongue, toothbrush. Are you ready to find out what else is in the bag? I'm excited. Are you ready? Here we go. What's in the bag? Let's find out and see. What's in the bag? Can you help me? Here we go. Let's find out what is in the bag. Oh, it's a shape. This is called a triangle. Triangle, because it has 3 sides. The word tri means 3, like a tricycle has 3 wheels. Let's go over our words, shall we? Tongue, toothbrush, triangle. Fantastic. Are you ready to find out what else is in the bag? Yes? Can I see your clapping hands, please? Ready? Here we go. What's in the bag? Let's find out and see. What's in the bag? Can you help me? Let's see. Oh, lucky dip, lucky dip. Oh, yum. Tomato. Can you see that? Put your hand up if you like to eat tomatoes. My daughter loves tomatoes. She eats them like they're apples. Let's check our words starting with T. Here we go. Tongue, toothbrush, triangle, tomato. How did you go? Toby, I think there might be one more item in our bag. Shall we check? Show me your clapping hands. Are you ready? Here we go. What's in the bag? Let's find out and see. What's in the bag? Can you help me? Let's find out what else is in the bag. Our lucky last item is a teddy bear. Do you have a teddy bear at home? Yes? Miss Jo's children all have teddy bears. And even though Miss Jo's children are big and grown up now, they've still got their teddy bears. They love them so much. Are you ready to go over the words with me? And I want you to really listen for the T sound at the start. Are you ready? Tongue, toothbrush, triangle, tomato, teddy. How did you go? Good? Fantastic. Thank you so much for joining me, Toby the toucan, learning all about the sound T for the letter T. Until I see you for our next episode of What's in the Bag, I'm Miss Jo. And remember, I don't want you to just begin school. I want you to begin brilliantly. Bye for now.